Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Live subscriptions feature in 2026. Now, TikTok Live subscription allows creators to offer exclusive perks to their most dedicated viewers for a monthly fee. This feature is designed to provide a predictable monthly income for creators while building a tighter knit community. Now, to set up a subscription, all you have to do is you need to pass the eligibility. First of all, you should have 10,000 followers in your TikTok creator account, or in some regions, thousands is also enough. And you must be 18 years old or above. Now, once you do so, go ahead and open your application. From there, you should be able to find this profile icon located on this bottom right. Once you tap on it, then head to your profile section. Then tap on this menu icon located on the top right. From there, tap on TikTok Studio. Now go ahead and install the TikTok Studio application as well. However, it is not available in my region. And once you open TikTok Studio, there you will find option under the monetization section called Live Subscription. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you can customize your offering with subscriber badges like visual icon that appear next to a user's name in your chat, or unique stickers only for your subscribers to use. Now, a mode you can toggle during lives so only supporters can comment and even access the subscribers only lives or private videos in your profile. And once you've done it and set your perks and pricing, go ahead and tap on submit your application option. And once you do so and TikTok approves your application, you should be able to use this live subscriptions feature and earn as a creator. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.